Hi guys. Let's start with Presearch. I present Presearch site which is very easy and can bring you $100 quite easily and without any difficulty. If this is the first time you've heard about Presearch, this is a site dedicated to profitability and ad creation. What interests us is the profitability of the site. As ads are not our goal, thanks to this site, you can earn $100 a month in a few simple steps. Taking advantage of the search, for example, what you usually do with Google, you do it with Presearch. Go to the Presearch website and write what you want in the search box and that's all. In summary, Presearch pays you commissions for searching through their search engine. Now, you understand that when you want to search, you have to open the Presearch site, write what you want and click on search and you're done. You may find that the counter will add 0.25 Presearch unit. Each formula you make on the Presearch site generates a commission for that, and if you are among those who do a lot of research, you will find that you receive a commission of over $100 a month. Presearch has added a downloadable extension on Chrome extensions that will give you the ability to go through Presearch without typing the Presearch site name. This will save you a lot of time. You should also know that the site also includes search through sites such as Twitter, Amazon and many famous sites that have a search box. Registration to Presearch. 1. Open the link to the Presearch website. 2. Type your email. 3. Password and confirm this password. 4. Confirm CAPTCHA and accept the site policy. After you register on the site, you write what you want to search. Click search in the search box to choose the site you want to search. You can customize it by clicking customize directly under the search box. You can do your research to earn more commissions up to $1,000 free to request a $100 withdrawal. When you register on the site, Presearch offers 25 welcome free. For each search, you will earn 0.25 free. To recover your money, you must access your profile and enter your details. To register to Presearch, click the link in description and I wish you a lot of money. That's all for today. See you in another video.